Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jael, and like I mentioned in my last video, during October I'm gonna be showing you a few makeup looks that are perfect for the Halloween season. We're gonna start this makeup series with one of the classics, the Cowardly Lion of Wizard of Oz. I used this makeup look last year and I totally fell in love with it because it's pretty easy to recreate, so I thought why not do it again this year. So if you want to learn how to do it, please keep on watching, but first don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so YouTube can notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's begin. For primer, I'm using the No Problem from Touch and Soul, and for foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty FauxFilter foundation in the color Angel Food. For concealer, I'm using the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in C1.25. I'm using this one to conceal my under eyes, my eyelids, and brighten the center of my face. To set my concealer in place and the rest of my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the color Butter. For the eyes, I'm going to use the Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to start with the color Canna as a transition shade and to contour my nose. To start adding some dimension to my eyes, I'm going to use the color Judith from the same palette and I'm going to place it in the outer corner of the lid. When I have almost no product in my brush, I'm going to extend the color towards the center of my lid. Now I'm gonna use the shade Sama, is the bright orange color of the palette. I'm going to place it very lightly because I don't want an intense orange color in my eye, and I'm gonna focus on the center and inner part of the eyelid. To intensify the out of corners of my eyes and add a kind of frame for the orange color and create a round shape eyes, I'm going to use the shade Chawata, which is a smoky black color. As well as with the other shades, I'm going to drag this one towards the hairline to add more drama to this look. Using a clean, fluffy brush, I'm going to go over all the edges to make sure that there is no harsh lines and everything is blended out correctly. Today, for the eyebrows, I want them to look more intense and defined, so I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade in the color medium brown. To warm up my complexion and start to contour, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. To define even more the contour, I'm going to use the first eyeshadow that I use in my eyes, the shade Canna. I'm going to focus on create a C shape around the cheekbones to make them look higher and rounder. For the lower eyelid or lash line, I'm going to use the same colors that I use in the upper eyelid, leaving the center orange and defining the inner and outer corners with the black eyeshadow. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Blush and Highlighter Duo in the color Cantaloupe. I'm going to go higher and intense with the blush and connect it with the eyeshadows that I place toward the hairline. Now, with the same brush that I use for my setting powder and without adding more product, I'm going to go very slightly all over my face to blend out any harsh line of blush or bronzer that I may have. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. Now I'm going to smoke it out the eyeliner with the black eyeshadow.
And to intensify and define even more the inner and outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to use the waterproof eyeliner pencil from Makeup Forever. To brighten the center of my face a bit more and define the cheekbones, I'm going to use the Maybelline SuperStay Powder Foundation in the color Porcelain. Now, to add the lion features, I'm going to use a soft black eyeliner to draw the nose and line the lips. To fill out the black part of the nose, I'm using the same Makeup Forever pencil eyeliner that I used previously. Then I'm going to set the liner and create a shadow around the nose with the black eyeshadow. For the lips, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Liquified Longwear Lipstick in Melted Velvet. Once again, I'm going back to the black eyeshadow. I'm going to use it to darken and intensify the lips and create a shadow around the line connecting the nose and the lips. Now with an eyeliner, I'm going to add more details like the whiskers and the hair dots around the lips. For highlighter, I'm using the same one from e.l.f. Blush Duo that I used before. And last, for mascara, I'm using the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara in Ultra Black.
Okay, that was all for today. I hope you like this look and you find it interesting, fun and easy and you want to recreate it. So before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and see you next week. Bye.